Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a coffee lover, you're going to love today's recipe. We're making a rich, creamy, cafe-style cold coffee at home using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. I'm going to show you different types of cold coffee that are easy to make at home. From classic iced coffee to Oreo and caramel coffee, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Classic cold coffee. Ingredients:
2 cuillères à café instant coffee,
2 tablespoons sugar, 1½ cups chilled milk, ice cubes. Method: blend everything until smooth and frothy. Serving tip: garnish with whipped cream and cocoa powder. Chocolate cold coffee. Ingredients: classic cold coffee base, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, chocolate syrup. Method: blend all ingredients and drizzle chocolate syrup inside the glass. Taste: rich, creamy, and perfect for chocolate lovers. Caramel cold coffee. Ingredients: cold coffee base, 2 tablespoons caramel sauce. Method: blend with caramel sauce and top with whipped cream and extra caramel drizzle. Tip: sprinkle a pinch of sea salt for a salted caramel twist. Vanilla cold coffee. Ingredients: cold coffee base, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. Vanilla ice cream, optional. Method: blend until creamy and smooth. Taste: mild, sweet, and aromatic. Mocha cold coffee. Ingredients: coffee, cocoa powder, chocolate syrup, chilled milk. Method: blend until frothy and garnish with chocolate shavings. Perfect for coffee and chocolate lovers. Oreo cold coffee. Ingredients: cold coffee base, for Oreo cookies, vanilla ice cream. Method: blend everything together and top with crushed Oreos. Result: thick, creamy, and dessert-like. Hazelnut cold coffee. Ingredients: cold coffee base, hazelnut syrup, whipped cream. Method: blend and garnish with chopped hazelnuts or chocolate flakes. Flavor: smooth, nutty, and cafe-style. Serve immediately while cold and frothy. Pair it with cookies, brownies, sandwiches, or a slice of cake for the perfect cafe-style experience. Those were 7 delicious cold coffee recipes that you can easily make at home. Which one is your favorite? Classic, chocolate, caramel, vanilla, mocha, Oreo, or hazelnut? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!